I'm Annette and welcome to Kitchen Garden Farmhouse. I just want to take a moment to give you some updates on the channel Kitchen Garden Farmhouse and to let you know what's going on and kind of where we're at and where we're headed. In this video, I'm going to give you an update on Mama, an update on the garden, an update on where I'm at in monetizing my videos and the ads that you see on the videos. I want to give you an update on why you're not hearing music currently played on my videos. I also want to go over and mention to you about my ideas about bringing on some healthy, delicious recipes on different types of soups. Since the main primary focus of this channel is gardening and food, these recipes will fit perfectly into that niche. Please stay to the end of the video. I want to show you some beautiful strawberries that I am growing in a container right now. They're absolutely delicious looking. And also I want to leave you a comment for food for thought. So without further ado, let's get started. First, I want to let you know that Mama has continued to improve in her health. She's becoming a little bit more active. She's not quite ready for a video yet, but however, when you do leave a comment or a message relating to Mama, I do give her those comments and let her know about your messages, and she is so grateful and she's pleased to hear from each and every one of you. For those of you that do not know the history of our channel, Kitchen Garden Farmhouse, I want to just take a moment also to give you just a brief history of the channel. January 2023, my husband and I started this channel, Kitchen Garden Farmhouse, and it was all about gardening, planting crops, harvesting crops, and sometimes I would put out a video about making a recipe out of some of the stuff we will harvest from our garden. Then June of 2023, we had a life-changing event in our life. My husband went to be with the Lord. It was all of a sudden, it was unexpected, and it was devastating to the family to lose him. So at that point, pretty much my life shut down for 5 months. I was not able to continue with the garden. It was a very difficult time for me and my family. And then toward the end of the year, I really wanted to try to save the channel because I know that YouTube puts you on that 365-day, 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch hours if you want to monetize your videos. So I began to do videos. I was not able to do gardening because my garden had died, and it takes time to rebuild a garden. So at that time, I was just trying to do whatever I could do. I was doing life stories about Mama. I was beginning to read out of my book that I had authored some years ago, Power to Jumpstart Your Life, and just whatever videos I could do that could be a blessing or a help or entertaining to the people out there that was watching the videos. I was just doing the best I could. You and a lot of other people pulled together to make this happen for me. I am so grateful and so thankful for every subscriber, every watch hour, every comment, every like, and every share. So then after the 1,000 subscribers and the 4,000 watch hours, I was trying to focus on, okay, where do I go from here? I really wanted to start gardening a little bit at a different location, and it's going to be different. And so I started a few videos on that. It takes time, like I said, to be able to reestablish a garden of any kind. However, what I'm understanding, there is also something a lot more dominant and powerful than the YouTube algorithm. And that's just people learning about who you are and your videos, and they like you and they like your videos. So YouTube doesn't have to recommend your videos to them. They're not dependent upon that. They just go straight to your videos. They check it out, watch the ones they want, or they turn on the bell to be notified every time you upload a new video. However, my channel is still very young. It's still in the very early stages of growing, so I am dependent upon the algorithm to put my videos out there to recommend them to the viewers. So I said all that to say this. Predominantly, Kitchen Garden Farmhouse is about gardening. It is about food, growing food, preparing food, preserving food, and making delicious, healthy recipes. It's all about food. However, I do want to incorporate some other videos along the way for some special events. And I get it, people want to know what your channel is about. So if they're looking for gardening videos, they know they can go to these types of channels and they can watch videos that's about gardening or about food or whatever they're looking for. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try different things and just see what you and others like, and then just kind of take it from there. One thing that I do want to try again, I do want to try to get back on this book, Power to Jumpstart Your Life, and I'm thinking about, as much as I can, on Sundays to upload a video to continue in this book here. So once again, starting this Sunday, I'm going to start uploading some devotionals from Power to Jumpstart Your Life, and we'll see how it goes. I realize it has nothing to do with gardening, but it is something that I would like to do, and we'll just take it from there. Meanwhile, my main focus for this channel is gardening, growing food, preparing food, and also making delicious, healthy recipes along the way. Another thing that I would like to do for this channel is I would like to start making homemade soups from scratch and present those healthy recipes to you. You know, soups makes a great meal and it goes great with salads and sandwiches. I just thought that that would be really something that would complement this channel, Kitchen Garden Farmhouse, since it does relate to food. Some time back, I had mentioned another book that I had authored. It's called Mom, It's My Birthday. I have only authored just those 2 books. And I know that I had mentioned it to you. The time has not been right for me to share that on this channel just yet, but I have not forgotten about it. When the time is right, I would like to also move forward and share that book with you. Once again, I realize putting a video out on Mom, It's My Birthday will have nothing to do with gardening, has nothing to do with food, and I'm just hoping that enough people will come to the channel to watch and we can overstep the algorithm and it will not hurt the channel's growth. I want to talk to you just briefly here about the ads on the YouTube videos. Whether you're watching my videos or whether you're watching somebody else's videos, I'm certain that you have came across the ads that play, sometimes before you watch the video, sometimes in the middle, maybe sometimes at the end, and in between, depending on how long the video is. The ads is what brings revenue to the creator of those videos. And if there's no ads, then it takes away that part of earning money or having their videos monetized. So just know on my channel and probably on lots of other people's channels, YouTube picks the ads that plays. And also they place the ads where they want them to play. Now we as creators, we can also alter that somewhat, but I just let YouTube do what they feel like is best for my channel as far as what ads to pick and where to place them. So right now, YouTube is placing ads at the beginning of my video and somewhere in the middle and then one at the end. At this point, if I did not have any ads on any of my videos, there would be no way to monetize any of my videos. But I get it. I know when you go to watch that video, you just want to watch the video. You're not really there for the ads. This is why YouTube, they have skippable ads and non-skippable ads. And so in other words, so many seconds has to play before you're allowed to skip that ad. So what YouTube is trying to create, they're trying to create a pleasant experience for the viewer to watch the video, but also being considerate of the creator of those videos to be able to play ads to create some kind of revenue for that person. But just know, it takes a lot of ads to make just a little tiny bit. It's not something that is a great revenue unless your channel has hundreds of thousands of viewers and you're getting thousands and thousands of views off of your videos as soon as you upload them or over a period of time. Unless you have that experience, you're making very little. I don't know if you have noticed or not, but there's been another change in my videos, and you may have noticed for the most part my videos has no music in them. Now I like the background music. I don't know if you do or not, but what I learned the hard way is there is a company that's highly recommended. It's a very good company. I pay an annual membership for their music. However, when I was trying to grow my channel and I was yet not monetized because I had not got the 1,000 subscribers, I had not got the 4,000 watch hours yet, the company, because they own the copyright of this music, my videos was under their copyright standards and somebody else monetized my videos. I was not able to monetize them. So then when I did meet the qualifications of 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, I had a little bit of trouble there for a few days trying to gain back all of my videos, had them to take away the copyright rights that they had on my videos because I was playing their music even though I was paying for the membership. So there was a missing link there. I had to go into their website, and then at that point, because now I'm qualified to be monetized, I had to link my videos with their website and with their music from clearing them having a copyright stop on my videos. And so even though I still have a paid membership, I just stopped the music because that lets me know at any point, as long as I'm using their music, and if I decide not to pay for that membership, then what rights do they have over my videos? So it's a, it's a business thing, and I got to get it all figured out. And so until I do, I have just stopped the music. Like I said, I like the music. I think it sets a pleasant tone, especially on some videos. I don't know if it makes or breaks a video, but I just want to let you know why you're not hearing any music on my videos of recently. Now, I know YouTube offers music as well. I have not had time to check into that. All of that takes time to research and to find the ins and outs and the guidelines about how to use YouTube's music, and if, what it all details. And before I go, I want to show you these beautiful strawberries that I am growing in this container. This variety is called Radiance. These strawberries are doing quite well. I have some ripe ones on here, I have some green ones, and I've got blooms. We need to remember and remind ourselves that no one makes it alone. We need to always be grateful, and we need to be quick to acknowledge all of those who helps us. If you have not done so already, please take a moment to subscribe, and every time you hit the like button, leave a comment and share the video. You're helping Kitchen Garden Farmhouse to grow. Thank you, and I will see you in the next video.